Hey, do you mind lapping these valves? I'm gonna get started on the other head.
Sure.
Wait, are you serious? I meant, like, lap them. Like, fix the seals? What? I'm lapping. It's on my lap. Who are you? No, I know you. Like, you're me. I'm not you. Pretty sure, like, you're me, just with a different shirt on. Whatever, even if I was you, I'm the better looking you anyways. Okay, well, I think I'm the better looking one. We need to lap. I'll show you how to, come on, let's do the lapping. So, you got some leaky valves, huh? What? No. What? Well, looks like you could use a good lapping. Whoa, buddy, let's keep it appropriate. This is a PG show. What is wrong with you? Anyways, let me show you how to do it. Come and join me. So you've done some testing, or your mechanic has done testing, or somebody, your brother, your sister, your friend, and you found out that you've got yourself a leaky valve. Well, it means we need to essentially reseat these valves by doing a good old lapping. So to do this, we're only going to need about 3 things. Your valve that leaks, so it's a bad valve. Your valve grinding compound. And your little tool on a stick with 2 suction cups. Are you ready? So all you want to do is get your tool and stick it on the top of the valve with a little bit of moisture. Make sure that sucker's stuck on there good. Then we're going to take some of our compound all around the seat. Now this compound is basically sandpaper. So we're essentially just regrinding this down. Make sure you're putting it in the correct valve seat. And just like you're starting a fire. And when that noise goes away, you lift up, come back down. Make sure you're applying pretty good pressure. We got a lot of buildup to go through. Now once you're done, you want to wipe this compound off, and we're going to be looking for a straight silver line on the heads and on the valve. Once you have that silver line, guess what? You're properly seated again, and you're done. Congratulations. You just got yourself a lapping. Well, that's all we got for you here today. I want to thank you guys for popping by. If you want to see us put together the rest of this motor, just watch the other videos. I hope you liked this shorty and you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you like. But I want to thank you guys for hiding out.